This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Mike Branson. You have been looking for this 3-bedroom brick home with 2 full updated baths, laundry room with luxury vinyl plank tile, galley kitchen, open living and dining room and more. Kitchen has black range, 6-month-old dishwasher, ceiling fan and pantry just across the hall. Carpet is less than 4 years old, water heater 6 years old, heat and air 5 years old, baths redone in 2018. This single-car garage has extra width inside, and a side door. The covered patio provides nice outdoor space to enjoy the large shaded and fenced backyard. Exterior freshly painted. This home is move-in ready. Close to Sanborn and Boomer Lakes, 1 mile to Lakeside Golf Course and 3 miles to the heart of OSU. Grab it before someone else does. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Branson at 405-612-5347.